John, I'm I'm really sorry.
Hey,
I know I'm late. I didn't plan to be. I really didn't.
it's okay. Come sit.
I feel awful.
You look like you ran here.
I kind of did.
What happened?
It was one of those days where everything is fine until suddenly it isn't.
Those are dangerous days.
Yeah. This morning was calm. I even left my apartment early.
Already a good sign.
I remember thinking, wow, I might actually be early.
That's when the universe usually gets involved.
Exactly. I got downstairs and realized I forgot my charger. I went back up. The elevator stopped on every single floor.
Every single one.
Every single one. I could feel my patience leaving my body.
I know that feeling.
Then I finally got outside, and I watched my bus pull away.
Ah, the slow goodbye.
The very slow goodbye. I stood there like, okay, that's fine. I'll take the next one.
Which didn't come.
Which came late. And then traffic was just not in a good mood today.
So when did you know?
When I checked my phone and saw 5:05.
That moment.
Yeah, that moment when your stomach drops.
Because someone is already there.
Because someone is already there. Sitting, waiting, probably checking their phone.
I was.
And I hate that feeling, not just because I'm late, but because of what it feels like I'm doing to the other person.
What does it feel like?
Like I'm saying, your time doesn't matter, even though that's not what I feel at all.
So it's not the minutes.
No, it's the message. On the bus, I opened my messages. I typed, deleted, typed again, deleted again.
How many versions were there?
At least 3.
What was the first one?
Just running late.
2 words.
2 very empty words.
Empty?
Yeah, they tell you what's happening, but not what I feel.
So you changed it.
Then I wrote, sorry I'm late, traffic.
That's what most people send.
And it didn't feel right either.
Why not?
Because it felt like the traffic was the main character, not you.
I see.
It sounded like, here is my excuse, not, I'm sorry I kept you waiting.
So what did you finally send?
I'm really sorry I'm late. I know you're already there. I'm on my way.
That one felt different when I read it.
How?
It felt like you were talking to me, not reporting a situation.
That's what I wanted. When I walked in and saw you sitting here alone, I felt this little twist in my chest.
The guilt twist.
The guilt twist. Like, okay, I did this.
And what did you want to say in that moment?
A lot of things. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Thank you for waiting. All at once.
But you chose one,
I'm really sorry.
and then you stopped.
Yeah,
That pause mattered.
it did?
It let the apology land. You didn't throw it away by immediately explaining.
I didn't know I was doing that.
Most people don't. You know what it usually feels like when someone is late?
What?
They walk in already defending themselves, before you even react.
That's true.
And then suddenly you're not even talking about being late anymore. You're talking about buses and bosses and traffic lights.
And the person disappears.
Yeah, but you didn't disappear.
I stayed.
You stayed with me and how it might feel.
I think I learned that from messing it up before.
We all do.
I don't like being late, but what I really don't like is sounding like I don't care.
And you didn't.
I'm glad. You know, when you first walked in, I could almost hear the other sentence.
Which one?
Traffic was crazy.
It was right there.
But instead, you said, I'm really sorry.
Because I wanted that to be the first thing you heard.
And that changes everything. It puts the focus where it belongs,
On the person.
not the reason.
If we slow it down, a natural apology usually has 3 parts.
Okay,
First, a clear apology.
I'm really sorry.
Second, name what happened.
I'm late.
Third, show awareness.
I know you were waiting.
That third part is powerful.
Because it says, I see you.
Exactly.
And the explanation?
Comes after and stays short.
So, not, sorry I'm late, but, and then 10 reasons.
Right, because then the apology gets lost.
So, what are some very natural ways people say it?
Simple and real. I'm really sorry I'm late.
Softer, I'm so sorry about the wait.
If you want to show awareness, I'm really sorry I kept you waiting.
That one feels kind.
At work, you might hear, sorry for being late. I know your time is valuable.
And with someone close, I'm so sorry, I didn't mean to keep you waiting.
All of those start with the feeling.
Not the excuse. I think being late will always feel uncomfortable.
Probably.
But apologizing doesn't have to feel fake,
No. It can be a small moment of honesty,
even when you mess up.
especially when you mess up.
Thank you for waiting.
Thank you for saying sorry the way you did.
Next coffee's on me.
I gladly accept that apology.